Kia ora, I'm Matthias from Study Time. Today we're going to do the MCAT walkthrough. So I'm just going to be going through the 2018-2017 exams and explaining my reasoning along the way. Question A. The sides of a rectangle are 2x plus 3 and x minus 2. So I'm actually going to draw this because I find that a lot easier. So 2x plus 3, x minus 2. Now we know that a rectangle is one longer side and one shorter side. And this number is pretty much always, well, for all positive numbers is going to be larger than this side, so we know that this is true. And it's asking us for an expression for the area of a rectangle. Well, we know that the area of a rectangle equals base times height, or the long side times the short side. So we're just going to take the long side, the base, 2x plus 3, and multiply it by x minus 2. So that's the expression for the area. And we just check what the question's wanting. In the form ax squared plus bx plus c. Cool, so that's the expanded form of this. So we just have to expand out this expression here. And we're going to do that using FOIL. So first, outer, inner, wrong one, last. So FOIL, first we multiply the first terms, then we multiply the first term by the outer term, and then the inner terms, and then the last terms. But you'll also notice that this thing looks like a claw. So sometimes I call it crab claw, because it looks like a claw. Cool, so let's just do it. 2x times x, 2x squared. I'm not going to skip any steps here just to make it really clear. 2x minus 2 is minus 4x plus 3x minus 6. So yeah, just got to be careful with those negative terms. 2x squared. And then we know that 4x or negative 4x and 3x are like terms, so we can add them together. So we get negative x minus 6. And that is the answer. Hey, I hope that you enjoyed that quick preview of me walking through one of the MCAT questions. If you want to see me walk through the entire MCAT exams from 2017 and 2018, and also explaining my reasoning along the way, talking about some common mistakes that students make, and explaining how I got to the answer, check out the link below.